What's going on, everybody? So in this video we're going to discuss why Everything Credit LLC is the #1 credit repair company in the world. So we're going to go to the whiteboard and go over basically what the competition's doing versus what Everything Credit's doing. Another thing y'all are falling for is money. People are showing money. People are showing nice cars. That doesn't mean anything. The scammers are the ones that make the most money in this industry. So please watch the whole video and tell me what y'all think. Let's go to the whiteboard. All right. Why Everything Credit LLC is the #1 credit repair company in the world. First, we're going to start out with why the competition can't compete. This is not me picking on anybody. Just pointing out the differences in what they do versus what I do. #1, they all use the same software. CRC, which is Credit Repair Cloud, Prodigy Surge, and Dispute Panda. #2, they cut costs by disputing online because they are amateurs at best. Saves them a ton of money disputing online. #3, they do not know how to spot FCRA and FDCPA violations. #4, they have no clue what to do if an item comes back as verified. #5, they outsource the work to other countries. #6, they charge thousands of dollars to get started. #6 is illegal. Alright, and on the right side, why we're the best company. #1, we work with attorneys that are licensed in all 50 states.
Even
2,
in Georgia.
we know how to spot FCRA violations. #3, we know how to spot FDCPA violations. #4, we know how to respond when the bureaus say they verified an account. #5, all letters are client specific. That means we don't send the same letters for every client, because those softwares that I spoke about, not CRC, but Prodigy Surge and Dispute Panda, they're going to send the same exact letter for every single client, even though they claim they use AI or artificial intelligence. #6, we document everything from start to finish. So whatever letters we send, we document that. We have a file for that. When we send certified, we have all the tracking. Everything's being documented. We are #1 for a reason. We go above and beyond for our clients. We don't cut corners. We don't do whatever's the cheapest. We don't do whatever we can to make the most amount of money. We're in this industry to help people. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.